What's up guys, you're watching another video. First and foremost, I'm sorry. I know I haven't posted a video in like 7 or 8 days, bro. This is the longest break that I've had on YouTube. It's not even a break that I chose to do. Trust me, I wanted to post a video so bad, and trust me, I want to show you guys my GTR so bad. So what happened to the GTR? The GTR is done. It's done being wrapped. We finished the wrap last week. It only took the homie Henry about like 3 days to wrap it. It took me another like 2 days to put it together. I didn't take it apart, so I had to put it together myself and figure out where all the bolts go, so it was super hard. It was literally like a big ass Lego piece, bro, putting that car together. But the GTR is done. I'm sorry I haven't revealed it yet. It's been done for over a week, just sitting in my garage, bro. Trust me, I want to drive it as much as you guys want to see it. I want to show you guys as much as you guys want to see it. I cannot wait to reveal it. The color is insane. It looks so freaking good. I just finished up wrapping my BMX bike in the same color. So I think we're gonna throw the BMX bike on the roof, how we used to have on the E92. I've never put the BMX bike on the GTR, so we're about to do it for this wrap. Get some sick ass rolling shots or photos with the BMX bike on the roof. It was a pain in the ass to wrap that BMX bike, by the way. But anyways, I wanted to come on here, give you guys a quick update. I'm sorry for the lack of content. I'm sorry for the lack of vlogs. I just haven't been able to bring my GTR out the garage yet because I haven't revealed it. The reason why I have not revealed it, guys, is because I'm trying to do a merch drop with the wrap reveal. I mentioned it in a previous video, but we're doing a full limited merch drop for this reveal. But the whole reason why everything's been delayed is because the merch has been delayed. I thought the merch was gonna be ready like 2 weeks ago and ends up not being ready. So hopefully, I think tonight or tomorrow, I'm gonna go pick up some samples. Ruining my vlog, bro. Hopefully everyone's okay. Hopefully there's no fire. So that is why the wrap reveal has been delayed, because the merch has been delayed. But I'm 95% sure that we're gonna have everything completed by Friday. So Friday at 12 p.m, come to the YouTube channel, subscribe right now, you don't wanna miss it. Turn on post notifications. Friday, guys, I'm gonna reveal on YouTube and on Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel right here. They were revealing the merch drop and the car reveal. Trust me, guys, it's gonna be worth the wait. Don't slack on the merch either, guys. It's very limited and I want all of you guys to get it. We're literally gonna have the color of the wrap on the merch, so it's gonna be sick. And once it's gone, guys. I've had so many people guessing, and I think I've gotten maybe 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 people that have guessed it correctly. That is it. But yeah, I'm looking at the GTR right now and it looks amazing, bro. This shit is gonna get so much attention. That's you guys' hint right there. It's gonna get so much attention. It's probably gonna get more attention than the Tiffany blue E92. And that thing got a lot of attention. Everyone's gonna look. No matter if you're into cars or you're not into cars, no matter if you're old or a little kid, everyone's gonna break their neck and look at this car. And I think on Saturday, I know this is ahead of time, but Saturday I think I'm gonna go to Cars and Coffee. I think the homie Hugo's coming down from Fresno. David's gonna pull up an F80, and we're all gonna cruise to the Cars and Coffee in San Clemente. San Clemente Cars and Coffee. Probably gonna be there on Saturday, revealing the wrap as well. I'm sorry I have to do this again, guys, but black and white it goes. But look, it's all complete. All done. The bumpers are on. We got those on, brand new. We got these back on. You guys remember these? The car looks mint, bro. It's never looked this clean. It's probably the cleanest the car has ever been. We actually ceramic coated the entire wrap too, so shout out to the homie David and Essential Auto Spa. Yes, you guys can ceramic coat your car wraps too, not just paint. So now the whole car is ceramic coated, and now water will just beat off. I'm gonna do it right here so you guys can see the ceramic coating. Look at that. It just beads off, bro. The water does not stick to it. That is so crazy. Look at it. It's gone. Obviously there's little beads right there, but as soon as you just air dry it, it's all coming off. You don't even need to wipe your car. I really think ceramic coat is like the best investment you can do for your car. It just makes your life way easier when you're trying to clean the car and protect your paint or wrap longer too. It also makes it way more shiny, as you guys can see. Look at that. I know it's all black and white, but you guys can still see how glossy this is. Like, that's a wrap, bro. If you guys want a ceramic coating job or polishing or car washes or detailing, any of that stuff, Essential Auto Spa, you guys know that. And if you guys want to wrap distinct vinyl, you guys know that as well. Trying to do everything, guys, and hopefully one day we can open a shop and do everything in-house. Sorry guys, I know it's probably a boring video, but I'm just trying to update you guys and just talk a little bit to the vlog since I haven't talked to you guys in like 8 or 9 days. Next update, how about this? The 350Z, you guys remember this car? It's still here. Poor car. It's literally, it probably looks worse than when I picked it up. It kind of does look worse, huh? But guys, the update on this car, there's not much to do left. We gotta install the new suspension. I got all new suspension for the car. The brand new coilovers have to go on, raise it up a little bit, then take it straight to a body shop so they can patch all these holes, everything. So then we can end up wrapping the car, because I have the wrap material too, just sitting in my garage for months now. I can finally start driving this thing and daily driving it. That is why I bought it, guys, because I need a daily. I've been driving the GTR every day and I have no other car. So once this thing's up, I can switch cars and go to car meets in both cars, which would be freaking awesome. I can't wait. So soon, guys, the 350Z will be up. I cannot wait. I know a lot of you guys love this car. I know a lot of you guys hate this car, but I promise once it's done, everyone will love it, guys. It's gonna look clean, I promise. But yeah, those are some quick updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update video. I'm gonna continue the vlog. I have some old Urus footage. I drove around the Urus that we wrapped for the homie Sammy. But Friday, guys, I believe it's the 3rd on Friday at 12 p.m. we're revealing the GTR wrap and we're revealing the new merch drop. Do not forget, mark your calendars. I cannot wait to see you guys rocking the merch in person. Whoever I see rocking the merch in person, I'm gonna give you guys a big ass hug. I'm gonna give you a ride in the GTR too, bro. Keep my word right now, guys. Whoever cops the merch and I see you in public with my merch on, I'm gonna say jump in the GTR. I'm gonna give you a one pull. I'm gonna give you a ride in the GTR, I promise. When you guys cop the merch, it means a lot to me and I wanna show you guys my appreciation to that. It's a short little vlog, but hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and let's go to the Urus footage right now. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I'm not sure if this is a new video or if I'm just adding this into another video. Right now, as you guys can see, we are in another Lamborghini. A Urus. It's actually Sammy's Urus. So another one of his rental cars, 1320 rentals. I'm not renting it from him, but we are wrapping this car for him. The car is pretty much complete. I'll show you guys the exterior right now. We wrapped it in a satin black, so it looks super sick. Before I picked it up, I thought it'd be cool to make a cool little YouTube video with it. I'm literally gonna just drive it around the block just so you guys can see the car. I know you guys love these point of view videos, especially in a different car like this, a Lamborghini Urus. This is never on the channel, so it's pretty sick. This is like a $300,000 SUV, so it's crazy, bro. It's very expensive, super expensive car. It has like the peanut butter interior. This thing is so sick though. It's super fast, bro. For an SUV, this thing is crazy. I think it's a V8 twin turbo, maybe. I mean, it should be fast, bro. $300,000 for an SUV, it better be fast. It has like screens right here, screens right here. The whole dash is a screen. Literally all digital everything, so it's pretty badass. Carbon fiber everywhere. And it's completely stock, but it's really fast, bro. And it sounds pretty loud too for a stock exhaust. Oh my god, bro, it's honestly really fun. And it doesn't even feel like you're driving an SUV. It's so comfortable. It feels like a little sports car. Sounds good, dude. Woo. Lamborghini I don't know, distance warning. This car's so smart, bro. It has like so many like sensors and everything. I'm not even gonna go anywhere far. I just wanted to drive around the block so you guys can see the Urus. Let you guys know what I think about it. And guys, I'm tired of seeing all the comments of me saying I'm out of content. It's not that I'm out of content, guys. I just got a lot of stuff going on, you know what I mean? I'm also trying to post more on the Nick and Emily channel. I'm practically running 2 YouTube channels at this point. I'm trying to run this vinyl wrap business. I'm helping on the Essential Auto Spa business. I'm trying to make a new merch drop for you guys. I'm trying to post content on both YouTube channels, like I said. There's a lot going on, bro, but I'm trying to handle it all. I know a lot of you guys support me no matter what. But shout out to everyone who has stuck around and been watching my content, commenting on all the videos, liking all the videos. It means a lot to me. But yeah, guys, tell me this isn't the perfect daily, bro. So you can fit all your homies with you. And they're like bucket seats. They're little racing seats in the back, which is kind of cool. And it's fast, so if somebody wants to race, you can still race them too. Oh my god. Sounds so sick when it hits the red line. Oh my god, bro. It does not feel like I'm driving a big old SUV, bro, at all. Let's see if I can launch it. I think I have launch control. Bro, it's way too fast for an SUV. So this is the outside. Black Lamborghini Urus. We also powder coated the wheels black. If you guys need any powder coating done or any wraps done, make sure you guys hit us up. Distinct Final. I'll leave the Instagram right here. You can't go wrong with satin black with the gloss black accents. If only this was actually my driveway, huh guys? Oh, GTR, and we got this V still chilling over here. But yeah, hopefully one day, guys, all of it will pay off and our driveway will look like this, hopefully.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.